BRICKY company has many tools that building with absolute efficiency and standard. This type of workmanship is quality without any help from professionals. Do you want to build walls uniformly clean joints with no waste or mess? This tool is best for you. This is a BRICKY Pro adjustable pack with other tools that help you build a standard wall which attains quality and standard workmanship. This is work-efficient tools for everyone. Even without enough skills, these tools fit for anybody. It empowers the ability to do it yourself with upgraded simple tools that BRICKY provides to its customers. In building concrete stairs for economical use, layouting of footing and the distribution of the steps dimension is very important. Pour the mixed concrete into the attached braces of the stairs. By doing this, the formation of the steps from riser to the bottom of the stairs design will form. The worker makes sure that every space of the steps is filled with concrete. The layout footing will be the guide of the worker to establish the right alignment of the concrete on the whole process. Cement plaster is used to build the right alignment and smoothness of the footing. Let the concrete settle between the plaster pieces and add more concrete if needed until the whole footing is complete. To minimize the chippings from filling with concrete, run a smooth plaster to the edge of the steps. Repeat the plastering process from one riser to another until the whole footing is complete. Air drying will improve the durability resistance of the concrete. This is now the stairs filled with concrete. However, the job is not yet complete. To complete the whole process, TF structural concrete coating is applied. This overlay requires no primers, no scrub coats, no critical mixing ratios, and curing procedures. The properties of this material are very good durability against any mechanical damages. It has superior bond strength to concrete, and the smoothness and polishing of the materials of our concrete stairs are excellent in design and output. GREATMATS offers a large variety of easy-to-install tiles, especially for the home. Starting in the corner portion of your floor towards the wall, lay down your first tiles. The corner tiles will serve as a guide for other parts to lay. Continue this process until all the parts of plastic tiles occupy the floor. This is a multi-purpose plastic tiles that can be used either for indoors or outdoors design. The unique design and shape of the product are due to the injection molding equipment used during manufacture. The plastic tiles are simple to fit and manipulate, especially for cleaning. It is also resistant to many chemicals and has different color variables that look very lively and interactive when installed. This design fits the desired space and utilization of the customer. Road drain is a tough one-piece channel drainage system ideal for medium to the heavy-duty highway, distribution yards, and airfield applications. ACO high-strength recycled polymer concrete, the one-piece system is strong and robust in design. The integral channel and grading design also improve the inherent strength of the system. The system has a full range of accessories for a simple connection to underground drainage. System maintenance is simplified by using ACO road drain rodding access units. The product is also fully compliant with national highways and transport agencies' requirements for motorway and major trunk roads. Korean brick is a unique and versatile brick cladding system that combines the natural beauty of high quality, brings exciting new design flexibility to brick veneers, including bond patterns, trim features, and color and texture combinations. It is a rear ventilated rain screen facade system designed for mid to high-rise buildings, new construction, and recladding. Historic sandstone is a premixed cement base to be applied using a professional mortar point and gun, an innovative and versatile solution for texture combination. This is the feature design of advanced architectural building envelope products and design engineered for durability and energy performance. KABEX is a company specializing in the sale and implementation of the thermal insulation system and other necessary materials to build and finish a house. This is polyurethane aerosol adhesive, best for bonding polystyrene and other insulation and decorative materials to typical construction substrates. It is quick in fixing polystyrene insulation boards, phenolic resins, wood, metal, tar paper, and most plastics. KABEX Hydrolex K2 is made of dry powder containing cement binder, improvers, and fillers made of natural quartz aggregates with water dispersion of synthetic resins best for outdoor use. This product is flexible with high adhesion and resistant to freezing cycles, UV, and other weather conditions. The mesh facade is attached to the material. This sheet is characterized by high tear strength, even and durable weave, best for the thermal insulation system. Another product is KABEX HydroFlex F. It is ready-to-use mass with the consistency of a thick thixotropic liquid on a binder made of an aqueous dispersion of synthetic polymers, containing improvers and fillers made of natural aggregates. Physically binding by drying. This is best for making anti-moisture, horizontal and vertical, flexible, and light type layers inside, best for outdoor building design.